Happy New Year's Eve. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in to my Fluid Art channel. Today's a little special video. My good friends Mina, Nate Bright, and Kelly Farrell have invited me to do just a little mini collab. We thought we would do something for the end of the year. So we're doing just a 4-person collab, which the only requirement was to use the color champagne. So it could be any brand of champagne. I did not have any champagne on hand, so I custom made my own. I used 24 karat gold. I added in a little bit of silver and pearl white to get a nice pearl color. So I thought what I would do is I would end the year on an Old Faithful kind of a pour. I'm gonna do a straight pour, kind of along the lines of a Galaxy straight pour, because I'm gonna hopefully get a lot of cloudy pearl cells, cloud cells, you know, whatever you want to call them. But it's hopefully that I'm using some Artist Loft white, so hopefully that's going to give a lot of clouds all over the place. So using a really beautiful color palette. And again, the only requirement is the champagne color. So thank you so much for the invite, you guys. I love all of you, and I love my viewers even more. Thank you so much for your support. All right, let's get down to the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got is a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. And what I'm gonna do is just a straight pour. And I'm going to only use 5 colors because I want to kind of give this a minimalistic look with just 5 colors instead of using 7 or 8 colors. So the colors I'm gonna go with today, this is a combination of Artilier Blue Black mixed with Windsor Newton in Violet, Windsor Violet. This is Amsterdam and Greenish Blue. This is my titanium white. This is the champagne gold that I needed to use for the collaboration that we decided with. And this is Windsor Newton in the Phthalo green. I'm gonna need about 21 ounces of paint, so I'm gonna fill up a cup to about 24 ounces of paint. That way it'll give me a little bit of extra to move around with. All right, I'm gonna start off with just a little dribble of white in the bottom of the cup. Give me a little bit of white in that center. All right, now I'm gonna put in purple. And I'm going with big, thick layers since I need so much paint. pour just a little bit of white here. Just a little puddle to pour in. All right, start out. Let's go. Give this just a little bit of a torch. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here in the center. Got some cloudy action happening here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put down some white for flow extender. Let's start to move this around. Work this in a circular pattern here.
Wow, wow. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while.
check out where we are in the composition. Man, this is gorgeous. Only thing I want to do is I need to bring it back a little bit so that my center isn't dead center. I'm really loving all of this down here and I love everything about this. Let's come back down. Perfect. What's happening with this greenish blue is just fantastic. The phthalo green mixing in with the champagne gold. Beautiful. Loving all of the cloudy cells that are coming up through here. That's that satin enamel. Got a beautiful line of phthalo green around here. Just fantastic. I'm gonna clean up my edges. I'm going to torch, and then I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. It is clouding up like crazy. Let me bring you in, I'll show you. Look at all of that cloudiness. And this purple playing in there with the greenish blue. Just fantastic. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. I'm really happy with it. All right, guys, that is it. So that is a beautiful straight pour, kind of a galaxy feel, except it doesn't have that darkness. But look at how the purple kind of pulls in here. All of this, which looks like gold, is that champagne color, but look at all the cloudy cells that popped up through here. I'm loving it a lot. Nice little painting to go out on, I would say, for the new year. Definitely gonna get this coated with some gloss varnish. It's gonna bring the colors back nice and bright. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for helping me having a very successful 2023 on my YouTube channel. I cannot thank you guys enough. You've watched my videos, you've subscribed, you've shared my videos, so I just really can't thank you guys enough. All right, everyone, so now we're gonna head over to Kelly with Feral Art. Everyone have a great New Year's Eve celebration, and be safe out there. Talk to you in January. Bye-bye.